Okay, next today from convert entity we can teach. Okay, so now suppose this one is front plane normal to, suppose create here one rectangle, and suppose create here one circle, and then suppose this one is extrude. Okay, extrude it, not select from suppose select this sketch and then extrude. Okay, so now this one is look like this. Okay, and the next here reference plane, suppose select this one. So now this one is another plane created here. Okay, how to create new plane? Suppose go to the reference, means under features there have a plane option, and suppose select any surface or select any plane. So from this surface this one is parallel created here. Okay, and give dimension as per your requirement and then write it. So now this one is plane created here. Okay, and then go to the, suppose select this plane, and here go to the sketch icon, and then suppose here convert entity. Okay, so suppose select this one, select this one and write it. So now this one is projected here. Okay, this one is projected here. Okay, so now this one is projected here, so that is convert entity. If suppose select this circle and then convert entity, so now circle also projected. Okay, so that is the procedure of convert entities. Means suppose some projected some sketch in one plane to another plane. Okay, projected some sketch in one plane from another plane. Okay, so next is offset entity. Suppose go to here and then normal to. Okay, then go to the, suppose sketch here, create rectangle and then offset entity. So now offset entity created here. Okay, if suppose here suppose 5, so now this one is 5. If suppose here uh, reverse direction, so now this one is reverse direction. If suppose bi-directional, so both way this one is created. Okay, so that is the offset entity created here. Okay, offset entity created here. Next, mirror. Okay, mirror, suppose create a new part modeling, create a new part modeling, and then mirror, suppose create here one rectangle, create here one rectangle, and create here one center line. So now this one is the center line, then escape. Okay, then mirror it. So suppose select this rectangle and then mirror entity. Okay, mirror entity, so suppose select this one, select this mirror about, just click here. So now this one is mirror. Okay, so now this one is mirror. With respect to that mirror about, select this axis or select any line. So with respect to that line, this one is mirror. If it is right, so now this distance from this to that distance and from this to that distance are same. Okay, so now undo it. Then suppose here linear sketch pattern. So select this one first, then go to the linear sketch pattern. So suppose here 2, so suppose give it here, click. Suppose now this one is 10 millimeters, so now choose here suppose 6. Okay, so 6, every distance is 60 millimeters. Okay, clear. So now if it is, just check here, so click here and just place. So now this one is 4. Okay, so that is the main thing. So both way direction you can create, just like AutoCAD array. Here name is pattern. Okay, so that is the main thing, and write it. So now created here pattern. Okay, next from create suppose one circle here, and then go to the circular sketch pattern. Okay, so circular sketch pattern, so this one is automatically take from the center point of the page, center point of the, means this plane. Okay, so suppose if you change this one, so just click here and click here. So now this one is rotate. Okay, so 4 here, suppose give 5 6, so now this one is 6. Okay, in this is the x angle, this is the y angle, means from x what is the rotation, and from y what is the rotation. And here total angle is 360, so that is the 360 angle. And suppose click here, so this one is 44 is the radius, and then write it. So now this one is rotate. Okay, so from this center, this one 6 created here. Okay, and then undo it. Next, suppose create move entity. Okay, move entity. So total select this one, and then go to the move entity. Okay, so there are two types: from to means base point to destination point, or give xy value. Okay, as per the requirement. Okay, so I'll choose here from to. Just click here and paste here. So now this one is move. Okay, simple move, just like AutoCAD. Now select this one. Okay, just this one is selected already. So go to the copy entity. So suppose select this one, and here this one is copy. Okay, so that is copy entity. Next is undo. So suppose select this one, and here rotate. So just select this one, and then give rotational angle. Okay, so now this one is rotational angle, give it here. Okay, so that is rotational angle, and write it. Clear? Next is suppose scale. Okay, scale. So select total entities, and then go to the scale entity, and suppose select any point. Okay, select any point, and suppose this one is 1.5. So suppose give it 2 here. So now this one is 2. So from this to that distance is 2, and from this to that distance also, means 2 times increases. 2 times increases, not dimension is 2. 2 times increases this one. Okay, so and then suppose if you choose here zero point 0.5, so now this one is 0.5. Okay, so that is scale. Clear? Next, 0.5 means this one is just 50% deduction. Okay, now this line rectangle is now suppose here 1. Okay, if it is decreases means below 1 means 0.8, 0.7 or 0.5. So now this one is decreases in scale. If you go upper side means suppose 1.5 2 3. Okay, no, so that will be the increases. Okay, then stage entity, suppose select this total line. Okay, not select this one, these 3 lines. Okay, and select here, and select this point, and select the destination point. So this line will be fixed. Okay, so that is called stage entity. Okay, stage entity, this one. Okay, so now this one is stage entity. So I think this one is up to that. That is the sketch icon, means sketch toolbar. Okay, so everyone must practice. Okay, up to that.